Today, we're gonna meal prep using our Instant Pot and Air Fryer for the entire work week. Are you guys ready? This is gonna be so much fun, super easy, super fast, super delicious. Let's get started.
The first thing we're gonna do is to cook our bacon. I'm using my air fryer because it's so easy. And I cut this bacon in half, place it in the air fryer, and I typically cook it at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And let it go for somewhere about 15 minutes and then I'll flip it. Now we're gonna grab our Instant Pot and just place our chicken breasts in. I'm gonna add some lemon pepper seasoning. I love this seasoning. I got this from Thrive Market. I will link it below. Then we're gonna add just enough water so that the pot will pressurize. That's about a cup with a trivet and this cute little platter, whatever you call this thing, strainer. Now we're gonna grab our potatoes. I'm using yellow Yukon Gold potatoes. Make sure you poke them with a fork and fit as many as you can inside. Then we're gonna close the lid and we're gonna set the Instant Pot to high pressure for about 22 minutes. At about this point in time, the bacon was ready to flip. You cook this until it is your desired doneness. And at the about 18-minute mark, it was perfect. Now we're gonna get all of our eggs ready. So I'm using a whole carton of eggs and I'm just gonna crack them all into this bowl. Then we're gonna grab a whisk and just whisk it really well. This recipe is so incredibly easy. I'm not adding any milk or milk-like product to this, just the eggs. I'm placing some spinach in the bottom of each one of the cupcake cups, and then we're gonna use about 1/4 of a cup inside each one of the wells. You can add in any other type of green or mushrooms, peppers, whatever you like. Then we're gonna crumble in that bacon. This is such a quick and easy recipe. I know that looks like butter over there, but it's actually cheese. This is a cheddar cheese. Add whatever cheese or don't add cheese if you don't like cheese. I'm using this grater. I recommend using a knife instead. This did not work so well. Then we're gonna place this inside of a preheated oven for about 15 minutes. Everything will be listed out in the description box below. After about 10 minutes of natural pressure, you open the lid on the Instant Pot, and now I'm basically plating all of these up into the glass containers that my husband is going to bring to work. This is such a quick and easy recipe. So we're gonna use these frozen veggies for this time. Remember, since this is meal prep, you don't actually have to cook these veggies right now. He actually prefers that I don't, because then he just adds some butter when he's warming them up. Look at these egg bites. They're like little souffles. Oh my goodness, I make these every single Sunday and he absolutely loves it. This is such a quick and easy breakfast and lunch for the work week.
If you enjoyed today's easy meal prep recipes, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with anyone that you know that's looking to make healthy, affordable, but delicious recipes right in their own kitchens. Thanks for spending time with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.